Hello, welcome to Code is Coding. Stop counting things manually. Let's Python do it for you with simple code. In this video, we will see how to count, how many times each element appear in a list by using Python. I'm going to solve this one to take the Visual Studio, and first of all, I have declared the function name, which is the uh, count frequency. Then I have to take the input as a list, which is the pass the parameter. Now I have to take here empty dictionary with the name of frequency. Frequency equal to empty dictionary. I have to declare here empty dictionary, and here I have to start the for loop. So it's go through with the each and every element in the loop of the list. So and then I have to check the condition if item in frequency. So what I have to do, if it is already existing, then I have to add plus 1. That means if it's already 1 is there, then now 1 plus 1 2, then next time repetition 2 plus 1 3, and so on it will be happen, right? Frequency item plus equal to 1. If already is there, 1 is there, then now 2, again 3, it will be increment like this. Else means in the sense of if not existing in the a dictionary, what I have to do, I have to consider it is as a 1. So frequency item equal to 1, frequency item equal to 1. Then finally I have to return frequency, right? So that I have to write it here, return frequency. Now what I do, I have to call the function print and pass the function name count frequency, and pass the list items. You have to take I mean up to you, you have to consider 2 3 4 times repeat a same element. Apple comma, I have to take a banana, and one more element I have to take apple. Why I need to take multiple same names? Because of I need to find whether it's calculating perfectly or not, whether the each element how many times repeated. I need to find the element number. Now coming to here, console or terminal, clear the screen and run python dem.py. So now you can see apple is repeating 2, banana 2, and guava is 1 time. And now we got it right. See how simple it is. This is the way we have to find the elements. A few lines of Python can do powerful things. Keep practicing like this. For more videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for your valuable time.